Talking not right.
Won't love you like I would. He don't know your body.
Always somebody you're willing to fight to be right.
That was what you told me. I'm giving you up. I'm forgiving it all. You set me free.
Put out the fire before igniting. Next time you fight,
I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me why are we wasting time? Why are you wasting time when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better, better than he can.
but now you got that, you got that, you got that.
Cause I know I can treat you better.
Better than you. Me down, down, down. Ariana.
I know he's just not right for you.
Told me you were ready. Girls seem to like the boy, so don't appreciate all the money and the time that it takes. I got you, baby.
And all the time they take us into different places, I was so deep. I wanna feel you on, feel you on.
Welcome to my house, baby, take control now.
We will take it on like we used to.
It's all in my head.
Wish we could turn back time.
Are we in the clear yet? In the clear yet? But tonight I'm gonna lose it all. I'm feeling fine. I'm such a fish.
All my ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, girl. All you gotta say is
Focus on me.
You're too sexy for me.
Focus on me.
Too sexy to me.
Focus on me.
So sexy.
Focus on me.
This is yours, tripping on skies through water.
my name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. What you gonna do with that dessert?
You can run free, I won't hold it against you. You do your thing, never wanted a future.
Ain't a bit. All my ladies round the world. Ain't a bit. Your girls better get cool.
I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone.
Some people try, but they can't find the magic of the